Hi fashionistas and divos, it's your girl Shakira, otherwise known as Domestic JA, here with a product and demo review of the Estee Lauder Stay Flawless Concealer. So stay tuned if you want to see more. Product review plus demo. The product that I will be reviewing today is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. It says on the box, stay in place, flawless, wear concealer, looks flawless, lasts 15 hours, feels lightweight, never dry, stays seamless without creasing, and it says warning, keep out of eyes, stop use if irritation occur. My color is 04 medium deep, and I will be doing a demo with this, so I'm going to show you guys how I apply it. I apply it like this on the places that I need it most. And this is actually my summer color, so it's a bit tanned. It's a bit darker than my skin complexion, but I just wanted you guys to do it. And I applied it with a brush. I applied it with a sponge, and it doesn't get cakey or none of that. So I love this concealer. I've been obsessing with it all summer long. It doesn't last 15 hours though. It lasts about 6 to 8 max for me. And it's buildable. You can share it out or with moisturizer, or you can build it up to a full coverage, which I love. And of my makeup is just a vampy lip and a slight smoggy eye. And if you know me, you know that I am a bold lip wing liner kind of girl. So I did a lot as far as I can tell about from my makeup. But as far as packaging is concerned, I love the packaging. It's a bit sleek, and it's sleek and very nice, very presentable. So yeah, I love that about it. 04 deep, if I didn't say that before. I think Estee Lauder is a great brand which doesn't get a lot of hype on YouTube. But anyways, back to what we came here for, the review. It comes with 24 fluid ounce of product for anywhere between $20 and $25, depending on where you live and the price range that they sell them for. As far as this concealer goes, I've had this concealer for about 2 months now. This has been my holy grail concealers that I have been living with day in and day out. Sometimes I wear this concealer just wear it with nothing, leave it on, it still stays on for 6 hours. I set it with my Dermablend loose powder, stays on like nothing else you could believe. I also did it with my MAC Studio Sculpt powder and liquid. And honey, let me tell you, it is just wonderful. I also did put on a little bit of foundation, just a little bit, teeny bit. And this is the end product of my makeup, as you can see. I love this. Even though I think it's a bit pricey for the amount of product that you get, I think it's worth it because you can share it out and just wear it like a tinted moisturizer, or you can just wear it as a concealer. You can wear it underneath your eyes and it won't crease to hide bags or discoloration or anything like that. So I think I'm gonna go purchase me about 3 to 4 more of these because I love it so much. And sorry if I'm pulling up my nose and stuff. I've been suffering from a cold, but I still wanted to give you guys a video even though I'm sick. So I hope that you loved and enjoyed my video. See you in my next video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, The Mystic JA, and see you. I love you guys.